this is pretty cool. This is a GPZ 750R. So this was a Kawasaki Super Sport back in the day. So it wasn't the GPZ 900, which was the super bike. The Super Sport was lighter, the 750, a bit more agile, but you still get some of the technology that the 900R Superbike introduced. So you got anti-diving front forks, which is pretty good. And you got that AT style colour scheme from Kawasaki with all this multitude of colours, and it looks really nice. It looks like it's nearly immaculate. Really tidy, so the owners really looked after this one. Look at that caliper at the back is green. Wow. It's just a very pretty junior, very pretty Super Sport. So even the handlebars are race handlebars, that's why they're so aggressive and they're not straight. And look at that. Analog dials. God, we've forgotten what analog dials look like. Aerodynamic bearings, so you're getting a lot of wind protection from this. So you can just accelerate and not worry about any buffeting at all, which is pretty good. But you do have the screen as well.